In this video, we're going to show you how to install the noise suppressor in your washer. So to install your noise suppressor or noise filter, on this machine it's very easy. This can style basically just threads down into the console. On other machines, they may mount to a frame in which they're upside down with a bolt that holds them in place. Others may be wrapped by a plastic clamp and secured to the cabinet, but however yours originally would have been put into place, that's how you're going to install your replacement. So for today, this one, we just drop it into place, thread it in like a light bulb, screw it until it tightens up, and now we just get some harnesses to install. Now if yours had a cover on it, you'll need to put that cover back in place. Just drop it in over, snap it in, and this one's held in place by one Phillips screw. Yours may be a different type of screw, but however it's held in place, make sure you do that process. And now we're ready to put our front cover back on. So in this case, this console just has a set of fingers that match up with slots in the top. So it's just very easy just to line those up, rotate the console downward, and now put our screws in that hold it in place. And on yours, it may be a back panel that you're having to secure, or maybe if it's a front load, it's a top that you had to take off to access that. Once you finish having that secured, then you'll just want to have your machine hook up your water hoses, plug it back in, and you're all set.